Hi Libras, Trishna here. Welcome to your February 2019 reading. What I'm feeling for you leading up into February is I feel like you have this really big, nice sense of relief. So for the past few months or past little while, you have really been struggling and you've really been struggling to figure out what to do with your life or what to do with a certain area of your life. You just have been really confused about what direction or path you should take or how you should go about handling certain things. And now it feels like something has fallen into place, something's been figured out. If you've been struggling to figure out what to do about your career, I feel like you've gotten a new opportunity that you're excited about, that feels really good and feels really right, and it's there. And so now you can finally take a deep breath and relax, and you just feel very relieved and calm, and it feels really nice because it's been a while. And the way that I see February going is you have this new piece of the puzzle that's like put itself in this new opportunity or whatever it is in your life, that thing that has finally come into place for you. And whatever it is requires work on your part. You have to catch up, you have to study, you have to learn, you have to do something. There's a lot of work that needs to be done on your part in order to make this something really good, really tangible, something that you can keep, something that stays. And I think that you're perfectly fine with that. You're excited about whatever it is that came into your life and you're ready to put in the work for it. And Libras do like to, put their nose to the grindstone whenever that time for them comes. And you're feeling that way and it feels good. It feels good because you have a plan, you have a direction, you're working towards something. Something has been decided and set. The confusion that you've been feeling is gone. And so it feels good to just work and focus and just know what it is that you're doing. So that's really great. I do feel like you have a bit of a challenge this month, and that challenge is that you feel some fear. You've just been struggling for so long trying to figure something out, and now you finally have it and it feels good. But because you've been struggling for so long, there's this fear that what if it doesn't last? What if it goes away? What if I get excited and really engaged with this and then it's gone? So there's a little bit of fear of, can I trust that this is here to stay? Can I trust that this is something that I can call mine for a little while, for as long as I would like to? And I don't really have the answer for that, just because this is a general reading, and fear is one of those emotions that can really affect potentials. So it really depends on your level of fear. But I feel like for most of you, this is something that, yeah, it can be here to stay. It is here to stay, but how well you enjoy this thing in your life for however long you decide to have it in your life, that is dependent on your mindset and your ability to trust. So if you have too much fear, then this is going to be something that you don't enjoy after a little while, or you don't really get along with the people, or something like that. If this is something that you do allow yourself to trust, this can be something where, yeah, if it involves people, there are, sometimes you rub each other the wrong way or you have your issues, but you can be happy with it, you can enjoy it, and that would just, like, those issues would just be a part of just everyday normal regular life. That's just kind of what happens whenever you put two people together in the same room for too long. So I feel like this fear that you have, for most of you, you don't really need to worry about it. This is here to stay, but how much you enjoy this opportunity is dependent on how much you allow yourself to trust yourself, and that this is here to stay. I'm also getting that you should keep in mind that, to kind of help you trust, I guess, is that, even if something were to be taken away from you, the way things work is when something is taken away, you get something back. And so that's another reason to really trust in this opportunity, is that even if you got something taken away, if you really trusted, you would get something better. So it's like this or something better is what you will get. But I do feel like this is here to stay for as long as you would like, at least in a general sense, for a general reading. So the guidance that I'm getting for you is really to trust and really to go ahead and work on whatever it is that you need to work on, which you already want to do. I feel like you're excited about it, so allow yourself to be excited, because the fear is keeping you from allowing yourself to truly be excited about this opportunity and really see the best parts of it. Because sometimes whenever you think something will be taken away, or you're gonna lose it, you get that sour grapes kind of mindset, and you start noticing the things that you don't like about it. You're like, well, you know, if this got taken away, that'd be fine because I don't even like this, this, and this. Like, I'd be fine with that. So that fear is not allowing you to really completely appreciate what you have and be excited about it. So trust, work on this, allow yourself to be excited. And then also, I feel like if this is a work situation or any kind of situation that involves other people, I feel like those people really want to engage with you. They're happy that you're there. They want to welcome you. They want to be warm with you. They want to, yeah, engage with you. So allow that to happen. Allow that to happen when people are wanting to work with you and approach you. You know, take them up on their offers for lunch or coffee meetings or whatever it is. So that's what I'm getting for you. I hope this is helpful. I hope you have a wonderful February. I hope that you trust yourselves a little bit more. And I hope that I earned your subscribe and your like. If there's anything you would like to share with me, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below the description box. And I will see you in my next video.